The adjustable height pallet stands are designed to manually adjust to 3 different ergonomic working heights. These units include a 3-position manual adjusting bar with spring assist to help raise and lower the deck. The pallet stands must be empty when adjusting the height. The units come standard with all welded steel construction and are painted blue. The handlebar has 3 settings: the middle or neutral position for storage, the left setting for moving the stand from a stored position into the first position, and the right setting is for moving the stand from the first position to the second or third position. Slide the handlebar from the middle position either left or right, depending on the position needed, and lift up on the lift handles. Once the unit is at the desired height, put the handlebar back into the middle or neutral position. Align set pallet evenly onto the stand. The pallet must be removed before adjusting the stand to another work height. The optional bolt on manual carousel is 40 inches in diameter by 2 inches tall and rotates 360 degrees. The caster option consists of 6-inch by 2-inch glass-filled nylon rigid and swivel casters with brake.